Hello, my name is Bruno. I'm with Volcano Concrete. I wanted to show you guys this foundation that we're doing. It's pretty difficult. I consider it to be one of the top 3 most difficult we've done. There's a lot of factors that I'm going to talk to you about, but the first one is it's 4 foot deep. So we have a 4 foot deep beam from top to bottom. It's about this height. So we had a difficult time tying the rebar all the way down. That was a part, and digging it 4 feet. It's really hard clay. Another point that I want to touch, it's we have a lot of these anchor bolts here that you see here. We have 31 of them, and they all have to be to 1/8 of an inch clearance. So every single one of them is an exact measurement, so we have to have a perfect square so that the building sits right on top of it and the erectors don't have any type of problem building it. We also have these steps here on 1, 2, 3 sides. We have a set of stairs here that you can look at. We reinforced them all with rebar as well, and we have a beam at the bottom there. So you can see the beam there. It's continuous. Then we go ahead and tie these with an L-shaped dowel, and then of course you have your 4 foot beam. Not only that, but we also have 31 piers, 31 14 foot deep piers. Those will be over here. Enfócale a las piers allá abajo. So we have all these piers. There's one of them right there. You can see we have six rebars coming up, and all that is adjoining by these 90 degrees angles. You can see them here, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All that is in this one corner. So much rebar there. So we keep going over here. Now this point here is the interior frame of the house. This part here. So all the house is in one interior frame. Everything that you see here, everything that you see on the outside, all the way around the perimeter, it's all a porch. So we have, it's like having 2 foundations in one. You have the interior form, and then you have the exterior form, which is for the porch. As you can see, we keep having these anchor bolts. They all have to be in line with one another, and you have to be really exact on these measurements so that the building can fit without a problem. We have the electrical islands. This is for islands, and then we have some plumbing lines. These are drain lines for the gutters that were installed by others. As you can see, this is an anchor base plate, but we have to align it. It's up in the air. It's pretty firm. It's not moving. It's not going anywhere, so that we can assure that these bolts don't move. I want to show you one more that's over here. This is another anchor bolt diagram. This one is right in the center where the pier is and their intersection, so it'll carry all the weight of the structure. So you can see all this is sitting on top of the frame. This is the concrete elevation right here. It's gonna be a 5,200 square feet home. and we're ready to pour. We've been working on it for almost 3 weeks, and so this is what I want to show you guys. I'll have a drone video coming up that I can put on our page later on today. Let's see.